afternoon, everyone, and I hope you had a great week. I am just heading out for lunch, or it's actually breakfast for me. It's midday now. I'm just heading to a place nearby mine in District 1. So it is a Bánh Ướt place, which is kind of like your steamed rice rolls. And this concept is really cool because you get to make it yourself. You get to assemble it yourself. It's kind of a do-it-yourself kind of Bánh Ướt experience. And I have been a couple of times, and I just wanted to share it with you guys because it is a popping off place. It's very popular. Kind of went viral, and then that's why they've opened up more branches and it's become very busy. So just making my way here now and can't wait to eat. Okay, so I'm here and pretty much the concept is you order the Bánh Ướt, which they make fresh to order, and each plate is 2,500 dong, and you can get a whole rack, but I've just gone for half a serving. I think that's the minimum you're allowed to order at once. And then you get to order what you want from the menu, so whether you want cucumber or mango, railway, or what you would like. I've just gone for a couple of the vegetables, so cucumber and railway. Sorry, the table's a bit small for me to place the camera further back so you can actually see everything, but I'm trying. Then I've got the crispy kind of spring rolls. Crispy rice paper rolls, rice paper sheets, I should say. Some pork loaf, which has been fried. And then just some nem nung as well. And there's other types like bum tit nung or nem chua. But that's what I felt like for today. There's also some garlic and chili on the side, and just some fresh grounded chili as well. So, 3 dipping sauces. I'm assuming the first one is Nước Mắm with chili. Second one is probably like some type of peanutty sauce. It's warm. That's good. And the last one reminds me of like a central sauce that sometimes you find in bum tit nung or like a nem nung in your Giang. Yeah. All right. And you pretty much just assemble it yourself. So I've got my plate. I am going to add each of the meats on. As well as the crispy thing. So this is the best thing ever, this crispy. Some cucumbers. And I guess you just order based on what you like. So if you have more people, it's probably more fun because I see people getting a rack of 10 and then another rack of 10 because they just have so many people. And extra railway for me. And then I will roll it up. And there's just ladies in the back making the Bánh Ướt fresh. It's getting really busy because it's lunchtime, obviously, and so another lady stepped in to also start making it. And that is my roll here. And I'm just gonna go for the orange sauce, this one, which really reminds me of the sauce in Giang. The Bánh Ướt is so thin, super thin. Railway is so good. I probably could have added like mango for a little bit of a sweet or sourness, but I like this. I've had the nem chua here before, and it's not my favorite. So that's why I've just gone for these two. But I think the bum tit nung is a very popular one. Yum. Yeah. The crispy rice paper sheets, game changer. You have to order this if you come. It makes it really good. Let me try the second sauce, which is like this white looking sauce. I think it's like peanutty sauce. But I remember last time I was here, they had 5 sauces in total, or 6. One of them is mum nem. I'm not sure if it's because of the meats I've ordered, so you don't get that sauce. But based on other people's tables, I can only see they also only have 3 sauces. So I'm not too sure where the other 2 sauces have gone. These sorts of places are so fun because there's such a variety of what to get, what to put in, what sauces you would like, and a whole rack of bánh ướt. Look at that, it looks so good. Good. The last few weeks here, so I am leaving Saigon in a couple of weeks because of my visa, so I'm heading to my next country, and from there I am looking to just kind of country hop. Once I kind of get over country hopping, because traveling can be exhausting, I would then probably return to Vietnam, maybe Saigon, maybe Da Nang or somewhere else. I haven't really thought that far. So far I've only planned 3 months ahead, and I only booked my first accommodation, so I'm kind of doing a YOLO. But it's been very bittersweet this last couple of weeks because I've had to say goodbye to a few friends. The best thing about traveling is when you meet people, everyone's looking for a friendship, so everyone is very open and the energy is great, but sooner or later everyone kind of moves off, and we've been farewelling a lot of friends, and it's super bittersweet because the next farewell is mine, and I've just organised like a big get together. And yeah, I've just been reflecting on, it's so great to make friends, and it's been so amazing for my journey of mental health, but then saying bye and then going to a new country where I would have to start again with making friends. I'm not too sure how I'll go, honestly. So if you have any tips, let me know. But I think my confidence and my energy has grown over time, so I am quite confident that it's easy to make friends, and a smile or a wave goes a long way. So let's hope for the best. So good. I'm making really small rolls actually, because I just noticed I only have 4 more of the rice sheets and still heaps of the meat left, as well as the plate of rice paper. So I probably should be doubling up on meat. Oh. Out of these 3 sauces, my favorite is the meaty one. It looks like there's pork bits in it, then just the normal nước mắm, and then the peanut, which is surprising because I usually like peanut. It's usually my favorite in general sauces, but not at this specific restaurant, I would say. This is a good meal. Okay, I just finished up. So I did mention that I think they naturally just give you at least half a rack to begin with, so 5. For me, I didn't finish it, so I only had 3, which is initially what I ordered. And then they just take the rack back, right? So yeah. What's interesting is that usually when you go to places like this where you kind of wrap and roll it yourself, the vegetables are free, so it's like complimentary on the side, and then you just buy, the set or the meat. So this one's interesting in terms of you buy everything, so even the cucumber, the rau wei. But yeah, it's a super fun experience. If you are here, go with your friends and let me know how you go. If you do enjoy watching Vietnam content and reels, I think you would have come across that reel before. It's an exciting place, get to try it, different sauces, get to assemble it yourself. And yeah, I hope you guys had fun. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one.
So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you the Minute Maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like we iterate.